What up, YouTube? Thanks for tuning in to another video. If you haven't already done so, like, subscribe, drop a comment, all that good stuff. But we are here in the shop, in my garage actually, and guess what we got? Carbon fiber rear trunk lip. Ooh, that thing is beautiful. Look at the goodness on it. But anywho, I got my homeboy Rico with me. He's gonna help me put it on. But first, let me go ahead and put the 3M tape on it. The 3M tape, 3 millimeters away from the edge. And then I'll let you guys see me put it on. Stay tuned.
Your man hit your phone, wanna make a ride. Swerving in your car, do a make a ride. I'm on set the club, baby, make a ride. Hit this northern lights, we can take a fly. Fuck, I kinda sweet too, step into the beat. 8 bottles up on me, 50 in the VIP. Hey, deals about to set. Skin tight dress, flexible finesse, no takers, this is tense. Very accent, beyond the funk. Watch her shake her ass, shout it beyond the funk. Hit her with some game, got me rolling the dice. Where you leave this club, where you going tonight? Looking like a kilo, chips no Fritos. Keep the drinks cold, gave the waitress a C-no. Looking like a kilo, chips no Fritos. Keep the drinks cold, gave the waitress a C-no. Broke up with my girl, I ain't feeling right. Me and my gun got me feeling right. Lift your head down, girl, let's go tonight. Riding through the city, smoking Northern Line. Broke up with my girl, I ain't feeling right. Me and my gun got me feeling right. Lift your head down, girl, enjoy the night. Riding through the city, smoking Northern Line.
We are done. Oop, almost knocked the little chopper. Sitting pretty flush. Pretty good, pretty good. What's up, everybody? I'm back for the finishing of the spoiler that I installed. It's supposed to sit on there for like 1 day. I actually let it sit for 3 days because I was just busy and didn't get back to it. But anywho, that's it right there. Looking good. So now let me go ahead and remove this tape. Alrighty, tape is off. Spoilers on. Looking decent. Looks good. Now I just need to wash it and clean it off of all the fingerprints and everything like that. Alrighty. Well, that is the end of the 4-day video or 3-day video, whatever you want to call it. But I'll put a link in the description below for where I got it off of eBay. So if you guys want one, you can go ahead and grab one. This is for the 335IS as well as the 335i for 2011-2013, my model. But anywho, thanks for watching another video. Like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Catch you next video.
Vegas nights playing cards, shopping off season. Grab the white, red wine, shit, we all leave. Hear me well, no, I won't fail. Icy watch, my wrist won't swell. Bottles in my sex, D shouting me out. I hit new plateaus when they counted me out.